Hello, hi, how are you? I am back again because today I want to show you my Chanel scarf collection. Now these are all Chanel scarves, they're all silk scarves, they're all beautiful. I have had them for quite a long time, so none of them are current season. Some of them might be reoccurring styles, but I think they're all really special and I wanted to talk you through them, and I wanted to kind of show you how to know if a Chanel scarf is real, what kind of fabrics to look for, what the kind of identifiers of the scarves are, and just kind of talk you through my collection a bit more. And yeah, we're gonna dive deep into it all. So hopefully it'll be fun. Hopefully you can see and enjoy my scarf collection, and yeah, we'll discuss it all. Price, quality, I don't know, everything. Let's see what comes up. So the first scarf I'm gonna go for is one of my absolute favorites. I adored this collection. I think it was like the art school collection. It was very rainbow. It was all themed around, like, I think an art student. And this was where the graffiti bags came from. It was just a really cool, classic, iconic collection. And I just loved it. I adored this print. I really wanted the bag. I kind of regret that I didn't buy the bag. I nearly did, but I didn't. But I did ended up getting this scarf and I just love it. It's got gorgeous rainbow paint swatches all over. It has the Chanel in the corner and it has the gorgeous thick silk twill with the hand-rolled edges. It's just a gorgeous 90 by 90 Chanel scarf. I adore it. It's so fun. It's fun in summer, fun in the winter. I do need to wash it because, well, it's been a while. Whenever I do launder my scarves, I generally take them to the dry cleaners rather than doing them myself. But I just, oh, I love, 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 love this scarf. I think it's so beautiful. It could almost be in a frame as a piece of artwork. It's just gorgeous and the colors just make me so happy. Also, I think I paid around £150 for that scarf. They have actually gone up in the last couple of years. They're now retailing for about £350, but I swear when I bought them, it was more like 150. So I'm just gonna leave that there. However, if you are looking for a deal on a Chanel scarf, I highly recommend checking out the Real Real. I will put the link below. And if you use the code REAL, you will get 20% off anything, which is amazing. It's like the best discount code ever, and I just wanted to share it again. I know I talk about it a lot, but it's so good. Anyway, my next scarf was a real bargain. I bought this on eBay. I don't normally recommend buying Chanel on eBay because you just don't know if it's going to be authentic or not. I knew this one was. I could tell by the photos. I could tell by the silk. I could tell by the hand-rolled edges. I could tell by the print quality. I just knew it was. It is quite an old scarf. It's probably dated to about the 80s. It's a slightly lighter silk. It is more for the summer season, hence the slight kind of nautical feel to it. Also, I got it really, really cheap because, now we talk about laundering again, because they had laundered it really badly, and I don't know if you can tell, but there's kind of bleach marks on it where it's just like the color has just come out because it's been so badly treated. Again, just another tip, if you want to launder your silk scarves, take them to the dry cleaner. It's just not worth it. Like, if they are vintage and you got them for like 50p from a charity shop, sure, why not hand wash them? But if they are expensive, beautiful silk scarves, take them to the dry cleaner, spend that £5. It is worth it. Now, I don't mind that it has got some flaws in the fabric because once it's around my neck, you really don't see them. So that's not a problem. And to be fair, I got it for a steal of a price. I think it was about £20, which is amazing. So yeah, that is a silk scarf number 2. Again, hand-rolled edges, beautiful print quality. A lighter floatier silk for the summer season, but just really, really, really pretty. The next one I want to share with you is another one that I bought secondhand. I think I got this from one of those pre-loved boutiques in London. I can't remember which one, possibly Bang Bang. I want to say it was about £50 because it was secondhand. It did come in a box, which I think I've still got somewhere, and I loved it because it features the flower and black and whiteness, and I love the big bow, and I just thought it was a beautiful kind of classic print. Again, it's got the hand-rolled edges. Always, always, always look for the hand-rolled edges. If it's a silk scarf with a machine edge, it's not going to be real Chanel. If it is a silk scarf with a hand-rolled edge, it will be. Obviously the wool scarves are different, but the 90 by 90 silk squares always have a hand rolled edge. They often have a label as well, but I wouldn't necessarily go by the label as much as the hand rolled edge. And also the print quality, as you can see, it's just a really beautiful crisp print. It's just perfect. And yeah, I just generally really love this print. I thought it was so fun, so cool, classic. You can just wear it with like a black cloth coat. You might see the Chanel, you might not, but it's just lovely. One of my favorite ways to wear it is literally just like this with a little blazer or with a coat. I just think it's really, really, really cute. I do also have some scarf rings in case you're wondering. So that is my next one. Again, like I said, it's vintage. It was a real steal at about £50. I'm very good at buying vintage silk scarves. The next one I have to show you, I bought brand new. I bought this in the Bond Street boutique. Again, I think it was around 150 and I loved this print. It's kind of like a spiderweb print with the Chanel No. 5 in the middle with the pearls dotted all over. Again, it's quite a thick silk twill. It's got a hand rolled edge. It does also have a label which says Chanel. On the newer silk scarves, you will get a Chanel Italy logo which says 100% silk. Whereas on the older silk scarves, you might kind of get more of a non-branded one. Doesn't mean that the older one is not real. It just is how they did the labels back then. But the most important thing to look for is the hand rolled edges and also the print quality. So this is a really nice thick silk twill. I love, love, love the print of it. It's just so fun and chic, and yeah, it's great for the winter, and it does actually keep me quite warm. It's got the Chanel logo again in the corner. It's got a really beautiful print quality with all the pearls, and I just thought it was beautiful. Again, £150 felt like a good and reasonable price. I do feel like $350, which is what they're charging now, is quite a lot. But do be aware that if you do want to buy secondhand, you can get great, great prices from places like The Real. The next one I want to talk about is another vintage one. I can't remember where I bought this one, but I just was really drawn to the green and white stripe. There was something very vintage about it, very deck cherry. So again, it features a bone motif in the bottom corner, and I just thought it was really pretty. I really loved the fresh colors. I kind of bought this one more to hang off a beach bag rather than wear around my neck, just because it's so summery and I get warm. I get hot in the summer, and I was like, I don't need it around my neck for extra layers, but I do kind of need it around my bag. And also, if you are on the beach and you feel like you've had a bit too much sun, I have this really embarrassing habit where I just do this just to take the sun off me. I know I look a bit weird, but you know, I don't want to get sunburn. I'm really pale. I get sunburn really, really, really easily. But anyway, this is my final one. I just think the print is so pretty. Yeah, it is lighter, and it is again hand rolled edge. I think this is more of a cotton, but it's a really, really, really soft cotton. Actually, let's look at the label. Have we got one? Yes, we do have a label on this one. So again, made in Italy, and this one is 100% cotton. It is a very soft cotton. It's really like lovely, but it is a cotton, and again, it's got the hand rolled edge. I think it dates back to about the 80s, and I just really liked it. I thought it was really, really fun and lovely. So they are my Chanel scarves. I hope you like them. If I had to pick favorites, I would probably go for the rainbow one, just because it's so gorgeous, it's so special. It means a lot to me, and I loved, loved, loved this collection. I also adore this one with the pearls. My boyfriend bought it for me. It's, again, really special to me, and it's perfect for the winter. And I do also, I love this one. I love this one with the big bow. So classic, so chic. I think I paid, I don't know, around £50 for it, which I thought was amazing. And then this one, to be honest, it's not my favorite. I haven't worn it that much, but I knew it was real. I thought it was a steal of a price, and I kind of couldn't resist it because, well, I'm a hoarder, quite frankly, and I just thought it was like, you know, when do you find Chanel, even if it's damaged, for like £30? You just don't. So I was like, I'm gonna make that bid. I know it's authentic, and yeah, why not? So that is my video. I hope it's of interest. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please do let me know. I hope I've covered some of the basics of like seeing if they're real, but basically you just want to check it's got a hand rolled edge, especially if it's a silk square. Most of them are 90 by 90. They used to be around £150. And if you look on the Real or Vestiaire Collective, you might find one at a much better price, around about 100, which I do think is really fair. So see what you can find. And yeah, if you do want to launder them as well, the best thing to do is just take them to the dry cleaners. Don't hand wash them. Do not put them in your washing machine. You know, they are beautiful. They are silk. They are, you know, hand finished with the hand rolled edges, and you need to treat them carefully. So yeah, that is my video. And if you ever want a video on different ways to wear a scarf, let me know, because I have a whole lot of suggestions. Anyway, that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will see you again soon. Goodbye.